Hello and welcome. In this short Brizy Cloud tutorial, I will show you how to add a custom JavaScript event when we submit a form. So on this event. Now this is a simple landing page with a form. As you see, it has very basic fields, an email, a select with two values and a simple message and a submit button. Let's go into our backend now. Okay, first of all, in our Brizy page, we built this form. It's a simple form, and we have to click here, and under the wheel styling advanced, we want to name this form with a custom ID. This is very important as we have to reference this uh, form in our function later. So in this case, we don't need to add any hashtag. You can see if you mouse over here that you just name it. So in this case, I decided to call this form my form. Once we do that, we are basically ready. We just click over here, we go under project settings and into the custom code in the footer, and this is where I recommend to add the code. We need to call our custom function and our query selector to target the right div. So document.querySelector, and over here we need this time to add the hashtag and the name of the div we want to target. In my case, it's called my form, as you see before. Then we add to add an event listener. In my case, is a submit event. So when the form submit, we launch this custom function. I created a very simple Java function which will log into the Chrome console a message. So to recap, when someone fill the form, click on it, the custom function will launch. Let's go to test it and see if it works. To test, we have first of all to open our Chrome console, and we are ready. I'm cleaning this to make it super simple. So as an email, we will use anything. In this case, the purpose is just to test the form and the event. Now, when I click on submit, we will see if it works or not, because it should log the message. And there we go. The email was sent successfully and we got this message. It means that our function has been triggered correctly. Now, this is the basic. Obviously, if you want to add a custom function, in my case, I brought it a little further because I used an automation using SaveMyLeads, which is another program I use to add those values into a Google Sheet. This is the Google Sheet, and in a few seconds we will have our sheet filled with the details. And there we go. In the last column we got also the current date. So this is super easy. I hope you liked my tutorial. If you have any comment, anything you want to know, just comment below. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye.